Well, hi everybody, Mindy here. In this video, I'm going to go through the process of actually funding my new live account that I created that I'm going to run the Magic Gold program on. Okay, so I actually have the account completely set up. I have all of my charts built. I have the EA and the set files placed on all of the charts, and everything in the account is ready to go. The only problem is there's no money. Okay, so before I can make trades, I need to put money in. Okay, so I'm going to do that today. Now, you notice that I have the auto trading turned off for this process. Okay, because when whoops, I accidentally turned it on. Turn it back off. But when we put money into the account, we don't really know how long it's going to take for it to get there. It might only take a few minutes, but it could potentially take several hours, maybe up to 4 hours. It all depends on how busy the blockchain is at that time. Okay, so what I'm going to do for now is I'm just going to go ahead and move the MetaTrader up to the top of the monitor. Okay, and I'm going to go get an Internet Explorer window, and I'm just going to put that kind of right here in the middle of the screen, make it a little bit wider. I think that should do it. Okay, now before I can put the money into the Coinex account, I have to go to Coinex and create a cryptocurrency address to use as a deposit account. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go and log in to Coinex. So I'm going to go to coinex.com, and then I'm going to sign in, and it's already got my information in there because I saved it. But I have to type in the secret code, which is the two-factor authentication. So let me go get my two-factor authentication code. And okay, I'll type that in. Okay, and of course these two-factor authentication codes, they actually change about every 10 seconds. So if you saw that and you wrote it down, it won't help. Because by the time I finish this video and you see this video, that access code will be long gone. Okay, so now I'm in my back office account with Coinex. And so what I want to tell Coinex is that I want to make a deposit. So I'm going to go right up here to the top where it says deposit. I'm going to click on deposit and deposit funds. Okay, now the first thing I have to tell it is what account I want to deposit into, because as you guys can see, I have a lot of live accounts with Coinex. Okay, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 12 live accounts with Coinex. Okay, but I think I'll use this one right here. So I'm going to select that one, and that account number is actually this account number, 9001169. Okay, so the current balance in that account is 0, because I haven't deposited anything in yet, and it is in USD currency. So the next thing it's asking me, it's saying, what currency would you like to make your deposit in? And so I'm going to click the drop down box, and I think I'm going to use Gemini dollar. Okay, now Gemini dollar is a cryptocurrency that was created by Gemini, but all it is, it's matching the US dollar, so it's not volatile at all. And you know, if I use Bitcoin, then during the time that I'm holding the Bitcoin, if the Bitcoin had a big drop, which it could do at any moment, I would lose money while my money was being transferred over to Coinex, right? But by using Gemini Dollar is very stable, and pretty much whatever I send, I'll be pretty sure that that's how much it will be when it gets to Gemini. So once I've selected Gemini Dollar, I'm going to click Proceed. Okay, this is the cryptocurrency address that I'm going to use to deposit Gemini Dollar. Okay, now the thing that you have to remember with this is if you're telling Coinex you're going to deposit Bitcoin, they're going to give you a Bitcoin wallet address. If you tell them you're doing Gemini Dollar, they're going to give you Gemini Dollar wallet address. If you tell them you're going to deposit Bitcoin and then you send Gemini Dollar, your money will never get into your account. It will get lost in the blockchain forever. Okay, so you've got to remember to get the right wallet address for the cryptocurrency you're going to send. Okay, so now that they've given me this cryptocurrency address, I'm going to copy it off very carefully, very carefully. In fact, actually, before I do that, I'm going to make this window even wider just to make sure that I have the entire address. Going to close this zoom down a little bit. Yeah, I think I have the entire address. Okay, so again, I'm going to copy the address, making sure I don't get any extra character or space before or after the number, and I'm going to copy it. So I'm holding down my control key and I'm clicking the C as in cat key. Okay, so I've copied that address. Now I need to go to Gemini and tell them where to send my money. Okay, so the next step is to open another internet window. See, I'm leaving the Coinex portal open. I'm just opening another tab. And here I'm going to go to Gemini.com. And I have to sign in. So I'm going to sign in. Again, it's already got my details. So when I sign in here, they're going to email me or text me, I guess, another secret code. I get so sick of these secret codes. They drive me insane. But so I have to wait for them to send that. There we go. Here it comes. Okay, so my secret code. And again, that secret code is only good for 3 minutes. So by the time you see this video, it won't do you any good. So don't worry about trying to hack my account. It won't do you any good. Okay, so now what we can see in my account is that my portfolio, meaning how much I've got, is $7,166 of US dollar. Now, if I was already holding Bitcoin or Ethereum or Gemini Dollar, then there would be a list. Maybe I had, $3,000 of US dollar and $2,500 worth of Bitcoin, and maybe I had $600 worth of doggy coin or whatever that's called. Whoops, I didn't really mean to do that. Go back. But what I have is all of my money right now is in US dollars. Okay? And I want to send $5,000 to Coinex for my Magic Gold trading account. So in Gemini, I'm going to go up here to the word transfer right up here at the top, and I'm going to click on that. Oh wait, first I said I was going to send Gemini dollar. So first I have to buy some Gemini dollar to send, right? So I come down here and look through the list, and there's Gemini dollar right there. So I'm going to view the details, and I'm going to see if I actually have to buy Gemini dollar. I think I don't. Okay, you can create at any time. Clicking create button. Create button. Okay, so I'm going to create Gemini dollar from USD. Okay, so I'm going to click right there, and it says select currency, and I want Gemini dollar, which is GUSD, and then I'm going to continue, and I'm going to transfer this to, and this is where I'm going to paste in the address that I got from Coinexx. Okay, now once I have the address in here, what I'm going to do is, I see the last two digits are 01. I'm going to go back to the Coinex portal, 01, okay, and the first two letters looks like OX. So I'm going to make sure that the first two letters are OX. So I think I have that pasted in correctly, right? So then I'm going to click continue, and now it's wanting withdraw amount, and I'm going to tell it that I want to withdraw 5,000. So 5000.00. Okay, and then I'm going to click continue. And then it says, do you want to complete the withdrawal? And I'm going to say yes. So I'm going to request withdraw. And oh, now they're going to send me another secret code. So I put that there. I wait. There's the ding. So let's go see what the new secret code is. Okay, and that should be the new secret code. And it says you have transferred $5,000. Well, whatever. That message happens so fast you can't even see it happen. Okay, but there was a message up there that the transfer was complete. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the Coinex portal, and what this says is that they're waiting, okay, they're waiting for this to show up. But if I want to, I don't have to stay on this page. I can go back to the dashboard, and I can select the trading ID that we're talking about, and that was this one. I'll click on that, and when this loads, it's going to tell me the current balance and equity and everything in this account. Okay, now when that cryptocurrency exchange is completed, then the balance right here will show as $5,000, because as soon as the funds get to Gemini, they're going to be instantly converted back into US dollars. Okay, so while I'm trading my account, my money is in US dollars. Okay, it won't come out of US dollars unless I decide to withdraw it as a cryptocurrency. So while it's here, it's in US dollars. And I'm just going to shut up and wait, and I'll watch the clock and let you know how many minutes this process takes. Okay, my money just showed up, and that took about 18 minutes. Okay, so we can see that it now has $5,000.30. Okay, so I don't know where the extra 30 cents came from, but I'll take it. No problem there, right? So now the next thing that we need to do is we need to go back over here. I'm going to update this, make sure that that money is showing in my portal. Oh, it locked me out. Okay, I figured there was a reason why it wasn't showing me, so I got to do another secret code. This is so obnoxious. So now 567650, submit. Okay, so I'm going to select the trading ID, go to the account that I deposited into, okay, and there's my money. Okay, now what I need to do, since I have my deposit, I need to chat with them and make arrangements for them to assign me one of the free VPSs. So I'm going to go to the chat help and start a chat. Okay, so I just sent them a message. I'll show more. What I said was I just deposited $5,000 into trading account ID number 9001169. I would like the free VPS to host this account on. Can you help me with that, please? And they said, how may I help you? Sure, please wait. Okay, I guess they, how may I help you? Probably self-generated. Okay, so what I just did is I arranged with the chat, the Coinex chat, to create a ticket for the Coinex administration to make me a free VPS server. And they gave me a ticket ID number of 2P9R8, which I wrote down just in case I need it at some point. And they said that they would get back with me when it's done. Okay? So, anyway, I'm going to tell him that we can close the chat now. Thanks again. Okay, so there. So, all done. Now, right now, this MetaTrader is on my local computer. Okay? When I get the VPS, it'll be really easy to transfer everything over to the VPS. But what you have to remember is that you cannot run the EAs on both places, or you will end up with two trades every time it's supposed to make one. So what I'll probably do when I get everything moved to the VPS, I'll make sure that I keep auto trading on this local computer turned off, but I will probably also remove the EAs from the charts. And that way, if I accidentally turn auto trading on, it's not going to make duplicate trades. Okay? So that's all there is to that. And if you have any trouble with your deposits, just let me know, and I'm here to help. Okay? So thanks for listening. See you on Sunday. It's going to be fun. Bye for now.